Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon burgers with canned salmon. Start by draining the cans and flaking the salmon with a fork. Mix in 1 cup panko, 1 large egg, chopped onion, dill, and lemon zest. Season with salt and pepper, then form patties and chill for 15 minutes. Cook in a skillet with oil for about 4 minutes per side until golden and cooked through. For toppings and binders, try Greek yogurt or mayo as a moist binder and add minced celery for crunch. Swap panko for crushed crackers or oats for different texture, and use Dijon mustard for a tangy kick. Serve on toasted buns with lettuce, sliced tomato, and a lemon dill sauce made from yogurt, lemon juice, and chopped dill. For heat, add a dash of hot sauce or sliced jalapeno to prevent falling apart. Press patties firmly and chill them before cooking for at least 15 minutes. Use medium heat and a well-oiled skillet to get a crisp exterior without drying the interior, flipping once. Leftovers keep well in the fridge for up to 3 days in an airtight container, and you can freeze uncooked patties for up to 2 months. Reheat gently in a skillet or oven to maintain texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.